Let's go.
Air that shit out.
Hey, Mark, come on.
That was a lie.
That's amazing. Look at this intersection, y'all. Holy shit. Hey, what are you doing? You standing on business. Oh my. Metal, what is that? Oh my goodness. Show the camera. Hey, what is that? Oh my goodness. She got that first place trophy.
Okay, now we can't be in the middle of the road.